have our cravings.
Honey, where's the car?
I traded it for Doritos. Yeah!
Look what I got.
Doritos!
That sudden urge for something delicious,
Out of the way!
something satisfying.
Clear! Clear!
Mi amor, our love is cannot be.
Maybe it hits you after a long day, during a game night with friends, or even just because, well, because it's Doritos time. Doritos, the iconic triangle of crunchy goodness. But it's not just the satisfying crunch, it's the explosion of flavor that sets Doritos apart. From the classic nacho cheese to the fiery flaming hot, there's a Doritos adventure waiting for every taste bud. Today, join Captain Discovery as we unravel the fascinating story behind the Doritos chips. We're taking you behind the scenes, from the cornfields to the flavor labs, to unveil the secrets behind the Doritos magic.
Hey, what is this?
Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Doritos' journey began not in a grand factory, but in a California theme park, Disneyland, in the early 1960s. A man named Arch West was left with a surplus of stale corn tortillas. Not wanting to waste them, Arch had a brilliant idea. He cut the tortillas into triangles, fried them, and lightly seasoned them with a Mexican-inspired spice blend. These became an instant hit with the parkgoers, known as Golden Dust Fries due to their golden color. The success of Arch's creation didn't go unnoticed. Frito-Lay, a major snack company, saw the potential and acquired the rights to produce and distribute the chips worldwide. The name Doritos was chosen, a playful twist on the Spanish word Doradito, meaning little golden thing. Initially launched with a toasted corn flavor, Doritos quickly gained popularity for their unique texture and bold taste. In 1967, Doritos introduced the now iconic taco flavor, forever linking the brand with Mexican-inspired taste. Over the years, Doritos has expanded its flavor profile dramatically, offering adventurous options like nacho cheese, Cool Ranch, spicy nacho, and many more regional and limited edition flavors. Doritos has become a master of marketing, using catchy slogans, memorable commercials featuring bold characters, and even sponsoring major sporting events to solidify its place in pop culture.
And there's the catch for the touchdown, Antonio Brown.
Why keep yourself down?
Edwards-Helaire, rookie run.
Doritos' story is one of American ingenuity and a testament to the enduring appeal of bold flavors and a satisfying crunch.
Babe, can you get that? It's your brother.
No.
Before we start, here's Captain Discovery's quiz about Doritos. Where did Doritos make their debut in the 1960s? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comment below now. Doritos likely uses specific corn varieties known for their high starch content and ability to produce a fine masa dough. These might be varieties like dent corn, which have a soft, starchy center ideal for grinding. The corn kernels go through a cleaning process to remove any debris or impurities. They are also soaked in water for a specific duration. This soaking helps soften the kernels and makes them easier to grind later. Powerful machines equipped with grinding stones or rollers pulverize the soaked corn kernels into a fine, smooth dough called masa.
And when we finish it, probably you have no more than 20-25 minutes at the most, and then you have a finished bag of tortilla chips.
The prepared masa dough is fed through rollers or an extruder that flattens it into large continuous sheets. These sheets might be several feet wide and quite thin, with the exact thickness crucial for achieving the final Doritos texture. Specialized cutting tools or dies then stamp the flattened masa sheets. These dies create the iconic Doritos triangle shape. High-heat vegetable oil, like corn oil or canola oil, is used for frying. This oil can withstand high temperatures without burning and contributes to the final flavor and texture of the chips. The Doritos triangles are carefully conveyed through a continuous belt fryer filled with hot oil around 176 degrees Celsius. The exact frying time is precisely controlled to ensure the chips cook through without burning. After exiting the fryer and being drained of excess oil, the Doritos are ready for their flavor transformation. A unique blend of spices, flavorings, and other ingredients is applied to the chips to create the specific Doritos flavor. There are two main ways the seasoning is applied. Dry dusting. A special chamber might apply a dry seasoning mix that dusts onto the chips as they tumble or vibrate. Liquid spraying. Alternatively, a liquid seasoning solution might be sprayed onto the chips using specialized nozzles. So what is your favorite flavor of Doritos? Can you share your thoughts in the comments below? After receiving their flavor coating, the Doritos travel along a conveyor belt through a dedicated cooling chamber. The rapid cooling solidifies the oils from frying and locks in the applied flavoring. Throughout the entire process, there are likely multiple quality check stations. Here, inspectors ensure that chips meet size, shape, color, and flavor specifications. Machines might be used to automatically detect and remove any chips that fall outside of the acceptable range. The cooled and seasoned Doritos are automatically fed into packaging machines. These machines use high-speed measurement systems to ensure each bag or container receives a precise portion of chips. The bags are then heat-sealed to lock in freshness and prevent breakage during transport. Eye-catching labels featuring the iconic Doritos triangle and the specific flavor are applied for easy identification by consumers.
Mejor prueba con Doritos y hazte un plato diferente.
Hazte un Doritos Loaded.
And now is the answer for the quiz at the beginning of the video. And the answer is Disneyland. Believe it or not, Doritos weren't born in a massive factory. Their surprising birthplace was actually Disneyland in the 1960s. What a surprise! Doritos' parent company PepsiCo has claimed sustainability goals and general industry trends. PepsiCo is committed to sourcing corn, the main ingredient in Doritos, from regions practicing sustainable agriculture. This could involve practices like crop rotation and reduce tillage to minimize soil erosion and promote long-term land health. Also, the company is working to reduce the environmental footprint of its packaging. This could involve using recycled materials in Dorito bags or exploring biodegradable packaging options. Efforts might be made to optimize energy usage in Doritos manufacturing facilities. Upgrading equipment and exploring renewable energy sources could be part of the strategy. In conclusion, increased transparency and a lot more comprehensive sustainability strategy would be beneficial for both the environment and consumer trust.
Embarked on a journey known as Performance with Purpose. Our vision for delivering top-tier financial results.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Doritos chips. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.